Okay, now can everybody see the screen? The white, the whiteboard. Okay, okay. So let's start. Achha. Today we will start with how to learn how to conversion, how to convert convergence. Okay, we will learn how to okay, how to convert. Yes, this is the link. Yeah, this is the link. Okay. Now we start from the basic. We know that 1 millimeter is equal to what? Or let's start from the highest one. Okay. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters, right? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Right? Clear? Everybody knows this stuff. Okay? 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Okay. The next step is let's try to say 1 kilometer is equal to how many centimeters. We know that a 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 centimeters, but we want to find how much is 1 kilometer equal to centimeter. So what you need to do is first you need to convert kilometer into meters. So 1 kilometer, as you know, is 1,000 meters. Acha. Now you know that in 1 meter there are 100 centimeters. Then in 1,000 meters, how many centimeters would be there? What you need to do? You need to simply multiply 1,000 by 100. Because in 1 meter, if there is 100 centimeter, then obviously in 1,000 meter it would be 1,000 multiplied by 100. So if you multiply them, so you will get 5 zeros. 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000, 1 and 5 zeros. Okay. Now, if you want to convert 1 kilometer in equal to how many millimeters, so we will again do the same process. We know that in 1 kilometer there are 1,000 meters, so 1,000 meters. Then in 1 meter there are 100 centimeters, so 1,000 into 100 is same stuff. This become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters. Now we are interested in millimeters, so we need to convert the centimeter into millimeter. We know that in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeters, so we need to multiply by 10. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This becomes 1 kilometer is equal to 1 and 6 zeros. Is it clear, G? How I have converted from 1 kilometer into centimeter and millimeter? Is it clear to everybody? How about you, Smile and Abhiya? Smile and Abhiya, is it clear? Okay. Now, what you need to also copy this down whatever I am doing so that you remember it. Okay. Now I am asking you convert 1 millimeter is equal to how many millimeters? You need to tell me the answer. 1 millimeter is equal to how many millimeters? 1 meter is equal to how many millimeters? Solve this thing and like tell me the answer. You need to tell me 1 meter is equal to how many millimeters?
So 1 meter is equal to 1,000.
1000 millimeters. Okay, good. What about others? Ismail, Nabiya, Falia, how many millimeters? 1000. Why? Because we know that in 1 meter they are 100 centimeters and in 1 centimeter they are 10 millimeters. So 100 into 10 is 1000 millimeters. Good. Now, if you notice what we are doing, we are converting a bigger unit. Is kilometer bigger than meters? Meter is bigger than centimeter, right? So we are converting kilometer into smaller units. So always remember when we convert from bigger to smaller units, we multiply. Okay? We multiply. Bigger to smaller units, we multiply. Okay? This is what we were doing. Now let's go the opposite way. What now we are going to do is that we will be converting smaller units into bigger units. So let's see how to do it. For example, you need to convert 1 millimeter into how many centimeters, right? But this is the opposite way from smaller units to bigger units. Achha. You can see that in 1 centimeter they are 10 millimeters, right? But I am interested in 1 millimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. Simple. You should always know the Bessel relationship. This is the Bessel relationship. So write it down. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Now you are interested into 1 millimeter, so just write 1 over here. Millimeters on the millimeter side and centimeters on the centimeter side. Now you need to find this centimeter, which is unknown, so just put it as x. Whenever in math something is unknown, we put x, so it becomes x centimeter. Now we will cross multiply. We know the ratio rule, so we cross multiply this by this and this by this, right? So what becomes 10x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 10, which is 0.1 centimeter. So 1 millimeter is what? 0.1 centimeter. So whatever is the rate, basically we are dividing it. Similarly, if you want to convert 1 centimeter into how many meters, so you will do what? 1 divided by, now how many are there? 100. So they are divided by 100. This becomes what? 0.01 meters. So in 1 centimeter, there are how many meters? 0.01 meters. Let's do another one. I want to convert millimeter, 1 millimeter into how many meters? So what should I do? First, I should convert from millimeter to centimeter. We know that in 1 millimeter there are how many centimeters? 1 by 10 centimeters, right? Now this has been converted into 1 by 10 centimeters. Now we know that in 1 centimeter, how many meters are there? 1 over 100. Now you are interested in finding 1 millimeter, or simply do what? Just multiply them. So in 1 millimeter, how many meters are there? 1 into 10 multiplied by 1 into 100, which is equal to 1 over 1000. This becomes what? 0. Now there are 3 zero in the denominator, so there will be 3 decimal places. 0.001 meters. So 1 millimeter is equal to how many? 0.001 meters. Is it clear, Ji, how I'm converting from smaller units to bigger units? Any confusion? What about others, Nabiya and Sumail? Okay, okay. No, Sumail, it's not thousand. Yeah, it's thousand is one over thousand. Okay, we are dividing. Okay. ठीक है सर, that was a different answer. Okay, it's okay. Okay. Now I give you a question. You people try to solve it. ठीक है जी. So always remember, bigger to smaller multiply, smaller to bigger divide. ठीक है जी. Now you need to convert 1 millimeter into how many kilometer? You need to tell me the answer. 1 millimeter is equal to how many kilometers? Also write your answer on the chat box, everybody. Okay, so I also remember. I need 1 millimeter into how many kilometers? Okay. Are you done? ये तुम्हारे नबिया. Okay, 0.01 kilometers. Okay, good, good Nabiyan. Good. Okay. Now let's do this thing. First of all, do step by step. Always remember this relationship. So from millimeter, the next closest unit is centimeter. Now, so first convert 1 millimeter into centimeter. So we know that in 1 millimeter there are how many centimeter? 1 by 10 centimeter, right? Now convert from centimeter to meter. We know that in 1 centimeter there are what? 1 over 100 meters. And in 1 meter there are how many kilometers? 1 over 1000 kilometers, right? Now you need to start from here and reach here at kilometer now. So what you need to do, you need to multiply all these three things. That is simple and easy method I'm telling you. So 1 by 10 multiply by 1 by 100 multiply by 1 by 1000. So multiply them, 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. And now how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 over 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your answer is 1 over 1 and 6 zeros. Falia and Abia, Falia and Mustafa, do you got it? How to do it? And if you convert it, you should write in the decimal form. How now there are 6 zeros, so basically in the decimal there should be set decimal places. So this becomes what? 0.000001 kilometers. Got it? G, Falia and Mustafa. Falia. Okay, let's go over how to convert in a decimal form as well. Okay? How to convert in a decimal form. Okay. So if something is like 1 over 100, so it now there are two zeros in the in the denominator, so it means it has to be two decimal place. So this should be 0.01, two decimal. 1 over 1000, now there are three zeros, so it should be three decimal place, 0.001, three decimal. If there are four zeros, then it should be four decimal. The more, it depends on how many zeros are there in the decimal with one. Okay? So the number of zeros, the number of decimal places there should be. Okay, ji? Is it clear, ji, how to convert? Okay, good. Now let's do for the square thing. You should always remember this thing. This is basic. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Okay? So this is the basic stuff. You should know this. Now, if you want to convert 1 kilometer square is equal to how many meters square? Now, see, 1 kilometer square means 1 kilometer multiplied by 1 kilometer. Okay? Square now, so it means kilometer multiplied two times. So 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer. Now you know that in 1 kilometer, how many meters are there? 1000. So for this kilometer, just write 1000 into, now this kilometer as well is there also. So again, you know 1000, 1000. So now count how many zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 kilometer square is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meters square. That's your answer. This is how you will convert 1 kilometer square. Is it clear, Ji? Is it clear? Now everybody tell me the answer for 1 kilometer cube. Now this is cube is equal to how many meter cube? अच्छा, always remember, अगर यहाँ square है तो वहाँ भी square. If there is square over here, then there should be square over here. If there is cube over here, then it should be cube. Like the power should be same. Now you need to tell me 1 kilometer cube is equal to how many meter cube? Tell me that. हाँ जी, any answer जी? जी मुस्तफा, फालिया। अच्छा, so there should be 1 and 9 zeros, right? Is this the same thing for everybody? 1 and 9 zeros? Okay, good. Okay, good. Now do solve 1 meter square is equal to how many centimeters square? Find the answer and tell me. 1 meter square is equal to how many centimeters square? 1 meter square is equal to how many centimeters square, and 1 centimeter square is equal to how many millimeters square? Tell me the answer for both. J. ठीक है, good. G, you people got the idea, right? ठीक है, good. अच्छा. Now we are doing the reverse process, ठीक है? अब we are going from smaller to bigger, ठीक है? So let's do how to do that thing, ठीक है? Now I want to convert 1 meter square into how many kilometers square, right? That's the answer. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. अच्छा. So let's go with the basic. We know that 1 meter is equal to 1 over 100, or sorry, 1000 kilometers. So 1 meter square would be what? 1 meter into 1 meter, right? So for 1 meter, we know what? 1 over 1000 kilometer multiplied by, for this 1 meter becomes 1 over 1000 kilometers. So 1 meter square is equal to what? 1 over 6 zeros. Kilometer square. And if you want to write in decimal, so 1 meter square is equal to what? 0.8234 n. Is it clear, Ji? Is it clear? Is it clear to everybody? Nabiyan, Sumail, Mustafa? अच्छा जी सुमाइल. Okay, I repeat this again. ठीक है? Sumail, which part didn't you understand? Which one? Which the multiplier one? Like we multiplied? Can you just the divide one or the multiplier one? Kilometer square into that thing? Okay, 1 kilometer cube. Okay, okay. Let me just revise it. But did you smile got this one? Did you got this one? Okay, okay, I revised that kilometer cube thing. ठीक है. Okay. Now Q means 3 times. Square means multiplying each other 2 times, and Q means 3 times. So 1 kilometer cube is basically equal to 1 kilometer multiplied by 1 kilometer multiplied by 1 kilometer. Right? Acha. Now I'm asking you to find 1 kilometer cube is equal to how many meter cube? So this is basically equal to this thing, right? So this 1 kilometer is equal to what? 1,000 meters. Multiplied by this is equal to 1,000 meters. Multiplied by this 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So if you multiply, you see how many zeros are there? 9 zeros. 3, 3, 3. If you multiply them, so 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 0 kilometer cube. Is it clear now, Sumail? Or if there is still any confusion, you can ask me. Okay, good. So we were doing that part. Now what you need to do is, you people need to tell me one centimeter square is equal to how many meters square, and similarly 1 millimeter square is equal to how many centimeters square, and 1 millimeter square is equal to how many meter square, and 1 millimeter square is equal to how many kilometers square. Okay, so you need to solve these 4 questions and tell me the answer. Okay, solve these 4 questions. Done, everybody, is it done? Yes, Nabia, good. So I'm also writing the answer so you cross check everybody. So 1 centimeter would be what? 1 over 100 multiplied by 1 over 100. That would be 4 zeros. 1 over. So the first one would be everybody. The we have first one would be 0.001 meter square. Okay, from centimeter to meter, it would be 4 zeros. 0.001. Okay, 0.0001. Now there would be 4 zeros. Two from this one and two from this one. 1 millimeter square would be what? 1 over 10 into 1 over 10. This is basically 1 over 100, which can also be written as 0.01 centimeter square. Second would be 1 over 100 or 0.01 centimeter square. First would be 1 over 10,000 or 0.0001 meters. For third, it should be what? Now you see that first convert this millimeter into centimeter, which is 1 over 100 as we have got it over here. So 1 over 100, and from this centimeter converted into meters, which we also have over here. 1 over 10,000. Now if you count, there are 6 zeros. So this becomes into 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to 0.823456 meter square. And lastly, 1 millimeter square is equal to how many kilometer square? Similarly, you know, again the same process. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 over 100 centimeters. Multiply by in centimeters to meters is 1 over 4 zeros. Multiply by, and then at last you know that 1 meter square is equal to 1 over 1000 multiplied by 1 over 1000 meter square, which makes 1 over 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now if you count how many zeros are there, 6, 4, 10, 12. 1 over 12 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1 millimeter square is equal to how many kilometers square? 1 over 1 into 12 zeros. And if you want to write it in the decimal form, so how would you write it in decimal form? 0.11 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 1. This would be the answer for the last one.
I don't understand the last example.
Okay, okay, let me do it again. Just let me do it neatly, ठीक है जी? Now 1 millimeter square is equal to how many centimeter square? Which I'm writing over here. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, right? The reverse process, you know that 1 millimeter square is equal to what? How many centimeters square? 1 over 10 into 1 over 10, right? Because I told you 1 millimeter is equal to into 1 millimeter is equal to centimeter millimeter square. Acha. You know that 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeters. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 centimeters square. So this becomes what? 1 by 100 centimeters. So that's your first answer. So 1 millimeter square is equal to what? 1 over 100 centimeters square. I hope it is clear, everybody, right? Now let's move on to the next one. 1 millimeter square is equal to how many meters square? So you know that 1 meter is equal to what? How many? 1 meter is equal to what? How many centimeter? 100 centimeter. And 1 centimeter is equal to 1 over 100 meters, right? Now you need to go from millimeter square to meter square. So first you need to go from 1 millimeter square to centimeter square. And from your previous example, you know that 1 millimeter square is equal to 1 over 100 centimeter square. So this becomes what? 1 over 100 centimeter square. Now as you have reached from centimeter, now from centimeter you need to go to millimeter, to meters. And you know that in 1 meter is equal to how? In 1 centimeter there are how many meters? 1 over 100. So just multiply this over here. Now this is 1 centimeter, right? Now you need to convert 1 centimeter square into 1 over 4 zeros meter square. Now just multiply this over here. This becomes what? 6 zeros. 1 millimeter square is equal to 1 over 6 zeros. Up till now, is it clear? From millimeter square to centimeter square, Nabiya, Falia, Smile, and Mustafa.
How is it 1 with
How
4
we
zeros?
get 10,000? Acha. Okay, okay. Now see, 1 centimeter is equal to what? If you convert 1 centimeter into meter square, so what is 1 centimeter square? 1 into 1. Acha. And from this equation, we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 over 100. So if I write this again, 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter square. Na? So for this 1 centimeter, how many meters are there in this 1 centimeter? From this relationship, we know it's 1 over 100. Multiply by 1 for this 1 centimeter, again you will use 1 over 100. So when you solve it, you get 1 centimeter is equal to 1 over 10,000 meters square. 4 zeros. Falia, you got it? Falia. Ji, Nabiya and Sumail. Okay. So basically, you should know basically what's the main thing. You should know okay, what is the conversion, and if you want to go from millimeter to kilometer, so first you need to go from millimeter to centimeter, then from centimeter to meter, and then from meter to kilometer, and then multiply all these values, so you will reach directly from millimeter to kilometer. So this is how you basically climb up the stairs. So this is a technique. Is it clear? So I need you people to tell me in 1 millimeter square, write it down, in 1 millimeter square, how many kilometer squares are there? In 1 millimeter square, how many kilometer squares are there? Tell me this thing. In 1 millimeter square, how many kilometer squares are there? Okay, Nabiya. Now you need to convert 1 millimeter square into kilometer square now. Yes, now Sumail is right. Yeah, yes, 1/. Yes, it's right now. Good. Give Fali and Mustafa. Let me check. Okay, let me. Mustafa and Fali, you need to recheck. Okay, let's do it on the whiteboard. Okay, we will do this one step by step. Okay. I wanted the answer for 1 millimeter square is equal to how many kilometers square. So first step is you should know 1 millimeter square is equal to how many centimeters square. So 1 millimeter square is equal to 1 over 100. Sorry, they are 10 in centimeter. Now the first I'm converting to centimeter into 1 over 10 centimeter square, which becomes 1 over 100 centimeter. So up till now we have reached centimeters. Is it clear up till now, Mustafa and Falia? Okay, now let's move from this one. Now we are centimeter square. Now we need to go to meter square. So we know that 1 centimeter square would be equal to what? 1 over 100 into 1 over 100 meter squares, which becomes 1 over 10,000 meter square. Is it clear, Falia and Mustafa? So we have converted from centimeter square to meter square. Now we will go from meter square to kilometer square. Achha. So 1 meter square should be equal to how many kilometers square? Ji Mustafa and Fazia, tell me. 1 meter square would be how many kilometers square? What should I do? In 1 meter there are 1,000 kilometers. So 1 over 1,000 kilometers in 1 meter there are 1 over 1,000 kilometers multiplied by 1 over 1000 kilometers. So this becomes kilometer square. So 1 meter square is equal to what? 1 over and 6 zeros. Is it right? Acha. Now we have reached kilometer square. Now our main goal was to go from millimeter square to kilometer square. So in order to do that, 1 millimeter square is equal to what? You need to just multiply these answers. This one, and this one. Just multiply them. So this becomes what? 1 over 100 multiplied by 1 over 1000, 10,000, sorry, multiplied by 1 over 1 and 6 zeros. Now multiply them. So 1 over how many zeros are there? 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 12. So 1 over 12 zeros. And if you write in the decimal form, so 0.11 zeros and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Either you write this form or this form. Clear, Ji? Mustafa and Falia? Any confusion? Ji. So let me check for Sumaya Nabia. 3, 4, 5. They were basically 12 zeros, right? Good, Sumaya Nabia. ठीक है जी, clear? Now your homework is, I'm writing down your homework. ठीक है? So you need to do these conversions. ठीक है? So write down your homework. Your homework is convert 1 kilometer cube into centimeter cube. Question number 1. Question number 2. 1 centimeter cube into how many kilometer cube? Question number 2. And question number 3 is 1 meter square equal to how many millimeter square? And question 4 is 1 millimeter square is equal to how many centimeter square? Can everybody see the 4 questions? Okay, write them down. This would be your homework. When you are done, let me know. Okay, okay, Mustafa, you can leave. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Allah. Okay, Fali, Allah Hafiz. Okay, Ji. Okay, Sumayran, Nabiya. Okay, done. Okay, Allah Hafiz.